Good tasting.
Please.
Please.
Very
Yes.
We have to do our, we get free eggs, so we have to do our share of feeding the chickens.
Yes, with shells.
Yes.
Pea shells.
Yeah. You have to be careful, they come flying out of here. So you gotta try to chase them out of the way. But get out of the way, guys. You see that, John?
Yeah.
Tony. Peppy, you're making eggs?
Già?
Peppy, you're making eggs? Oh, Tony. Tony's eating everything. No.
Before Tony eats it all, Tony.
Oh, this is pork, no? Oh.
Good. Deep fried something.
So,
Taste? What is it? You know?
pork.
Ah.
Pork ribs. Oh, Tony. What, Orazio, what is this again? What's it? Oh, this anchovies?
Questi si chiamano spingi.
Anchovies.
No, come si chiamano? Crispelli.
Anchovies.
Anchovies, yes.
Ora facciamo vino, potete assaggiare.
Oh,
Io sto apprezzando.
Buongiorno, professore, vengo l'avevo vista. Come va?
so Professor, how do you, Professor Orazio, how do you like? You like?
Yes.
Yeah, very good, no? Ah. Very good. Oh, sorry. John. Boy, those anchovies. Has a great anchovies taste. Oh my God. Oh, number one. Ah, so she puts anchovies in. Ah, you put butter and then she puts Vera. Oh, Vera puts the anchovies in. See?
Ricotta.
Wait.
No, questi. This anchovy, ok.
Anchovy. Yes.
L'altro, come si dice l'altro?
Then put on top.
Ricotta.
Ah, and then in fry.
We're doing ricotta and anchovy.
Ah,
Anchovy.
Se non...
perfect.
Ma
Oh,
questi si possono già mangiare unite? No?
Perfecto, no?
Perfetto.
Qua. Tony, là c'è qualcosa per
La pasta.
Tony the Master Chef.
Anche il carciofo leonato.
Tony and Vera need to eat something.
Yes, Vera.
Mettiamo qua.
These are the anchovies, no?
Crispelle con acciughe.
What is the name?
Crispella.
Spingi.
Crispelle.
No,
Qua li
spingi,
chiamano.
sì. Sicilian spingi, in Italian crispelle.
And in English?
In English,
Nobody cares, no?
No, spingi.
English.
No speak the Antonella? Antonella? No speak the English, no? Maya, you enjoying that, Maya? Maya is eating eggs. Very good. Look at this. There is so much food. It is unbelievable.
Ari,
With all the food,
are you enjoying the party?
yes. Oh, with all the food, we could probably feed half of Raposto, no?